Oh, and when someone knocks on the door, what do you ask? He's asking who? Okay, I think it's your fierce neighbor, the dog. Oh, it sounds more like a very cute puppy, Papa. Good job. Now, Papa here can also copy high-tech sound. So let's see if he remembers this one. Oh, it's the sound of a ringing telephone. Okay, Papa, when someone calls you on the phone, you pick it up and you say hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
There you go. Very nice and sweet hello by Papa. Okay, now Papa can also copy human sounds that you and I make. So when Papa is feeling sad, he will cry. Show them how you cry. How do you cry? That's how Papa cries, a very sad but now I am going to cheer him up by tickling him. That's Papa's laughter. And now that Papa is happy, he's going to show all of you his happy dance. Run and run he goes. Good job, Papa. Okay, now Papa is also learning to sing a line of the birthday song. So by any chance, is there anyone here celebrating your birthdays today? Raise up your hands if it's your birthday. Okay, from the first section, we'll start from here. Birthdays. There's 1, 2 of them, 3. Mommy says no. She raised her hand. Okay, 4 of them. Anyone else? Up there, 5, 6, 7. Okay, all the way up there, 7. Okay, how about the middle section? Birthdays. 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow, so many of you. Okay, how about the last section? Birthdays. Okay, 13. So for the 13 of you, Papa is going to sing you a birthday song. Ready, Papa? Papa, that was a bit too fast. Okay, can we do it together slowly? Happy birthday to you. Okay, on your own. There you go. Happy birthday to the 13 of you. And thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Alright, now for all of you, Papa has another message to say. Papa, what is it?
I love you. I love you. I love you.
We all love you too, Papa. Now it's time for Papa to head back home, but before Papa goes, can all of you wave your hands and say bye-bye, Papa? Your turn.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's give it up for Papa. Your name's Amazon Paris. After watching Papa perform, you may be tempted to get yourself a pet parrot. But parrots like Papa are very hard to upkeep as they can live as long as you and I. So please do think twice or even thrice before you go home and get yourself a pet parrot. Now the next 2 birds joining us are going to show us all how loving hornbills can be. With that, everyone, keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome Pepper, our purple-green hornbill. Hello, Pepper. Now, when the female hornbills wants to nest, they will look for holes or cavities in trees. So everyone, keep your eyes at that hut. And the nest box right there is similar to the nest boxes that we keep our hornbills right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Okay, so I will be coming up the staircase aisle. Once again, everyone, please remain seated at all times and do not try to touch the bird. Okay, please turn off your flashlights. Thank you. Okay, looks like we are in position. Everyone here can have a closer look at Pepper. Okay, and Pepper, whenever you're ready, spread your wings and fly. Ready? Oh. Okay, what Pepper is doing right now is she's inspecting her nest box. And only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Wow, that was fast, Pepper. Now once in time, the female will see herself using soil, regurgitated food, or even her own droppings. Okay, Pepper, if you like the nest box, you can seal it out now. That was very fast, Pepper. Is it inside? There she is. With that, everyone, on, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome Sunny, a great white hornbill, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon. Now, even though there are two different species of hornbills, the nesting behavior is very similar in the wild. The female will stay inside and the male will look for food to feed her, and this will go on for about 3 to 4 months until the eggs are hatched. And once the eggs are hatched, both mother and child will leave the eggs. Right here in the Jurong Bird Park, we have been quite successful in breeding Oriental white hornbills. And thanks to your contributions to our conservation fund, we have released them into nature reserves in Singapore and even right here in the Jurong Bird Park. So after the show, do keep your eyes open as we may spot free-flying Oriental white hornbills around. Hey, hi James! Vince here to bring Sunny back home. So Sunny will be making a flight down. Check out Sunny's huge wingspan. Whoa! James, and he missed you! Okay, now we'll try this one more time. And there you go. Let's give it up for Sunny, our great white hornbill. Alright, in a very short while, we are going to be joined by more birds on stage. Birds, they often gather foods for their young, especially during nesting seasons. So we're going to have 2 birds, and these 2 birds will be having a little competition and they will need your support. Okay, so people from the middle to my right, you'll be supporting Toasty, our blue and yellow macaw. So all you have to do is clap your hands and you go Toasty, Toasty. Okay, that was good. Y'all can be louder later on during the actual match. Okay, so for the rest of you, I think Stanley is joining us. So all of you will be supporting Stanley. And Stanley is our green-winged macaw. Okay, so all of you do the same thing, clap your hands, but you go Stanley, Stanley. Okay. Y'all can be louder later on as well during the actual match. Okay, now that Stanley's here. Hello Stanley, this is Stanley, okay? So what's to the table? I've already introduced Stanley. Okay, so what I have with me is a hollow tree trunk. And what these 2 birds need to do is gather 4 fruits each. Okay, supporters, you have to be louder, right? Everyone, get ready and go! Yes, that was very cool. Oh, she wants one moment. Okay. For those of you who think that Toasty deserves a second chance, give me a thumbs up. Yes, almost everyone said yes. So we are going to give Toasty a second chance. Okay, so Toasty supporters, you have to cheer even louder. Because the louder you cheer, the faster these 2 birds will go. Okay, so 4 fruits each per bird. Everyone get ready and go! And this time the winner is Toasty! Toasty. It looks like we have a draw this afternoon, so both these birds are equally good at gathering fruit. So let's all give it up for fruit gathering because. Alright, now in a very short while we will be having our grand finale. So please do not go anywhere just yet. I am sure our birds have amazed you and some of them may have even made you laugh. But please do not forget the bird conservation champions that we have met today. We all can help them by making sure that the paper or wood that we buy comes from recycled sources. You and I, we have the power to choose what we buy, So let's all make the right choice and make a difference for all our feathered friends today. And looks like we are all set to go. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for grand finale, we are going to have lots of birds on stage. So let's get started. First up from Africa, our great white pelicans. Next up from the land down under, we have our Australian pelicans. Next up from Eastern Europe, we have our Dalmatian pelicans. Back to Africa, but it's your long and sexy legs, our greater flamingos. Last but not least, let's climb the skies with our beautiful parrots coming from up there and there. And there you have it, everyone, our grand finale of the Let's all give them a big hand. And with that, we have come to the end of the High Flyer Show. You can come forward and take pictures of the birds, but please do not touch the birds while you're taking pictures, alright? And last but not least, continue to have a great day right here in the Jurong Bird Park. But before you leave, please take a look around you and take all your belongings with you. Thank you and bye!